Hey guys, I'm back. This is just going to be a quick update video to let you know about some things that have been going on while the channel has been lacking videos. And I'm going to be switching to more of a vlog sort of format so that I can get videos out more regularly to you guys. So with that being said, let's get straight to it. Alright guys, first up is the 240, and that is definitely a new addition since the last time you saw it. I had to hide the carburetor air cleaner because here in California it is very strict on modified cars right now, so that's how we chose to do it. All I did was fab that up out of some sheet metal. I'm going to post some pictures of that so that you guys can see how I did it. We got the interior of the 240 looking pretty good. The custom center plates are working well with that kill switch. I had to make a temporary shifter, and that's just the easiest thing I could come up with. Once we have the shape down how we like it, we're going to cut it out of aluminum. Other recent changes for the 240 were a replacement welded diff because the one that was in there was busted, and I'll throw up a short clip of that. And the remounting of the transmission to change the angle of the tail shaft because it was shaking the drive shaft. Now the problems are this crazy transmission whine that I'm having in all gears. As long as the car is rolling, it's just whining super loud. I'm hoping input shaft bearing since it's right on the front of the trans, but I'm going to tear it out soon and find out. So this transmission noise is definitely bad enough that I'm not trying to drive this car around very much until I get a replacement or get it fixed. Also, when I drive this car around, I'm having this weird problem that maybe somebody here is going to know about. When I hit the brake very hard, the car leans forward and shuts off. If you guys have suggestions, please do let me know. Leave it in the comments. So I know I still need to put out the video where I show you guys how to swap the 5.0 into the 240, and I definitely haven't forgotten. I just want to make sure that I have all my bases covered and everything works right before I tell you guys how to do it. The other recent acquisition is a little bit more interesting. So here we have the 1972 Nova that I just picked up. I've had it for about a month and I fixed a couple problems on this thing already, but it's certainly not ready for my plans with it yet. Alright guys, here's a quick look at the interior of the Nova. And the cool thing about this is everything works. You know, it has this blue color matched interior and it's all vinyl, but I mean all the electronics, everything, even the lights behind the dash work. Now, the Nova is slow. It does have the very wimpy straight 6 motor and the 1-barrel carb. Problem right now is that the 1-barrel carb keeps flooding. I've rebuilt it, and all that happens is after the car runs for a short period of time, it just floods out and I can't figure it out. Long-term plans for the Nova are pretty simple. I want this to be a pro touring daily. I want this thing to be fast, fun to drive, handle nicely, and still be comfortable enough to enjoy. So, first things first, I'm putting a V8 in it. Whether it's a small block Chevy or an LS1, I don't care. And it's going with a manual transmission because that's how I like to drive. So this is going to be my daily project for the future. It just needs literally everything before that. It's going to get an engine first, then suspension, probably paintwork, and then I'll be driving it. Now the puny little straight 6 in this thing did put out one burnout, and I thank my friend Garrett for getting the picture, so I'll throw that up for you guys to enjoy. I love this picture, and it's probably one of my favorite pictures of any of my cars, and ironically, it's from the weakest one doing a one-legger burnout. A couple other videos that are coming up soon on the channel are a fiberglass repair video starring these lovely side skirts right here. Yes, these are going on the 240, and I did pick them up for, I believe, $15. They're just so damaged that nobody else wanted them, and I'll be the one to fix them. And along with those side skirts, I have this bumper that is just chilling back here. It's not really damaged, it's just got all these cracks on it. Like, look at that. It's really not ideal, but it'll work, and I'll make it look nice. This Harbor Freight welder that made this welding table is hopefully soon being replaced, and if it is, I'll be making a whole new welding table and showing off the new welder that I get. Also on the docket, I am planning an entire garage overhaul. This situation is a little out of hand where I've got way too much stuff just piled and piled, toolboxes and tools and welding table and engine on the floor. And so to fix this problem, the next chapter in the fabrication series on my channel is going to be how to make things to organize your garage. I'm going to be making tool holders, carts, stuff to hang on the wall to hold your crap up, anything you can imagine. And if you guys have suggestions, please do send it to me in a message or leave it in the comments. Alright guys, I think that's it for this time. Like I said, I'm switching to a little bit more of a vlog style format so that I can get videos out to you guys more regularly, hopefully every week. I can be letting you guys know what's been going on, show you guys some of the things I'm doing, and let you guys know what's coming up. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. If you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time.